welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, I'm gonna share with you one of my favorite granola recipes. I'm gonna make some yogurt granola bowls with fruit, and this is the ingredients you're gonna need. For this recipe, we're gonna use oats, oil, I'm gonna use avocado oil, chia seeds, macadamia nuts, cinnamon, vanilla extract, peanut butter, but it can be any other nut butter that you have. I'm gonna use honey and I think I already said pecans, but pecans and magnuts. And these are all the ingredients we're gonna need. I'm gonna leave the amounts down in the description, and now I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, so first we're gonna add in a bowl 4 cups of oats. Okay, after we have our oats in a bowl, we're gonna add 1 cup of nuts. So I am using macadamia nuts and pecans, but you can add any nuts that you want. I've done it with almonds, and you can do pistachios, cashews, any nut that you want, but I'm gonna use these ones because they're the ones I have, and I recommend macadamia nuts because they get like a really nice texture and flavor. So there we go, 1 cup of nuts, and then some spices. I have vanilla and cinnamon. I don't measure my cinnamon, I just like put a couple of what I think it's like 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, you know, or just like enough cinnamon, because I do like cinnamon and I like it, the flavor. So I don't have like an exact measurement, but I would say like maybe if you are not like, if you don't want to like overtake the flavor, maybe like 1 teaspoon is fine. And then same with vanilla, because I do like it, so I'm just gonna like kind of eye it. Maybe that was a little bit too much. I know it's gonna be super delicious. And now we have to mix it. Oh, wait. Chia seeds. 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. No, 1 tablespoon. I'll put 1 tablespoon. I think that's a good amount. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna put just 1 teaspoon of, no, 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in my granola, but you can put the amount you want. Okay, now we're gonna mix. Once we have our bowl mixed with all our ingredients, we're gonna set this aside, and then we're gonna combine in a small pot in the stove our peanut butter or any nut butter that you want to use, honey or syrup, and oil. Any oil you can use, coconut oil. I'm using avocado oil. I've done it I think with olive oil, so your choice. Okay, now that we have all our ingredients in the pot, I'm gonna turn this on into like a medium, so like a half, and then I'm just gonna stir it and wait for it to like kind of come together and melt, and then I'm gonna be adding this to my granola bowl. So I forgot to mention, but set your oven to 325. So this is pretty much ready. It's melted. The peanut butter is definitely like melted, and it's incorporated with the honey and the olive oil. So now we're gonna put this into the bowl with the granola and mix it really well. So you can see it's ready, it's all well incorporated. Now I'm gonna prepare a tray. I'm gonna put aluminum foil, but you can use parchment paper, and then distribute this. I'll show you how. Okay, so this is how the granola looks. I distributed on the tray, and now I'm gonna put this in the oven. I'm gonna be baking the granola around 30 minutes, but I'm gonna put my timer 10, 10, 10, and after each 10, I'm gonna come and move the granola around just to make sure it cooks evenly and it's not burning in one part, another part. Sometimes what I like to do is take it out, move it around, and then flip it. So like what's on the front goes in the back and what's on the back goes on the front. And do that 3 times, so that's would be 30 minutes. And then after those 30 minutes, I like to turn off the oven and prepare my bowl if I'm gonna eat 1 bowl of yogurt with fruit, and just let it keep getting that heat from the oven, but while it's off. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes. Look at that. Yum. Okay, so now I'm gonna take it out and move it around a little bit more. Take a couple of pieces. So delicious. Seriously, I'm not exaggerating, it's so good. When it cools off, it gets crunchier, of course, so I recommend you to put it like on a mason jar after it cools off. This will last for weeks. Seriously, I like to put it in fruit yogurt bowls like the one I have right here, and I put a couple of tablespoons in it, and it's so good. It's also good for like cereal. You can add milk, and it's delicious. This was everything for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more recipe videos, comment below, and you know what to do, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next Friday. Bye.